coaches to come out and talk about their winter teams. So if Brandy could come out for the girls basketball. Where's the girls at? Stand up at least. Oh yeah. Very nice. Give them applause. Really excited about St. Mary's tonight. You guys were a great crowd on Wednesday, and we're looking excited to have a home crowd tonight. So get out and get that.
How we doing? Can I get the JV boys basketball team to stand up real quick? Yeah, give them a round of applause. Our JV guys are working really hard, and again, like Coach Harris already talked about, we love the support both at the JV games and at the varsity games on Wednesday night, and I think you guys can do an even better job tonight. Let's pack this place. Now let's have the varsity guys stand up for a second. So, you guys can have a seat. For those of you who don't know, our varsity boys are off to a pretty good start. We're playing some exciting basketball right now. Really want you guys to come out. We've got a big league game tonight against St. Mary's. If you guys come out and get rowdy, it's going to feed our energy, and with that, we're going to come get one. So thank you guys, and come bring them on tonight. I want to talk about the wrestlers for a second because they're out of town right now. They're currently up in Redmond at the Oregon Classics, huge tournament in the state of Oregon. So far today, we've won one duel and we've lost one, but 1-1. Wrestlers are having a great season. Champions of the High Desert Classic last weekend in Klamath Falls. A lot bigger schools. Fantastic showing for our guys. So they're having a really strong season. They anticipate sending several up in the state. So give the wrestlers a hand.
Okay, so my coach isn't here for ski team. There's only like a couple of you here. So our season just got underway. We had our first race about last weekend, and it went really well. It was our GS, and reminding you guys, February 20th, we have a home race here. And I advise all of you, and when I say all of you, I mean every single one of you to come, please, because I can't stress enough the support, and that'd be great. So if you're on ski team, please stand up.
Alright guys, so coming up in February 8th through the 13th, we're having a Winter Spirit Week, and this year's is a Harry Potter theme, so yeah. During the week we're going to have a Quidditch tournament, which we'll have a demonstration of in just a sec. There's going to be a dance, which is informal, like your normal Sadie Hawkins dance, class competitions, and there's going to be dress-up days.
So, assuming most of you have seen Harry Potter, right? Right. You know the game Quidditch? So we're going to start a new thing where we actually have a Quidditch tournament here. So I'm going to just explain to you the positions and what they do. First, we have 3 chasers. Chasers who step up, and they handle the quaffle, which is represented by a volleyball. And their goal is there will be 3 hoops at each end hanging from the basketball. And they basically just try and throw the quaffle through the hoops and get some points. And then there's one keeper. Josie handles the keeper. She's basically a goalie. She's going to try and prevent the chasers from scoring goals. And then there's 2 beaters, which is Cody and Melanie, and they use the dodgeballs, which are bludgers, to knock the chasers and the seeker off their brooms so they can't score. And then there's the seeker and the snitch. The snitch's job is to run around and avoid the seeker at all costs. And the seeker's job is to chase the snitch, and if the seeker catches the snitch, then their team instantly gets 100 points and the game ends. So, I'm pretty sure most of you know what Quidditch is and we're going to start that the week of the 8th through the 13th. So you're going to need six players on each team. So get your classmates to sign up with you. It should be a fun time.
This year, the butter is on our roll.
Mr. School is the other side of the tunnel.
Mr. Louis, how will the staff team get more rebounds and will perform for the future helpers?
All about aggressive, down the court, the whole game.
How will the staff lower the other team's shooting percentage and improve the staff's teams? I'm just looking at that space will finish that. Louis, how will the staff team get to the foul line more than penalties?
Look, if you want to score, you're going to have to hammer us before we put it up there. Bring it.
Ross, how does the staff plan to teach important life lessons to their seniors?
You're doing a lot. You're probably going to win one. Good luck.
Hamilton, what would the staff members want their own children to get out of the experience of being on the team?
Well, my kids are going to be stable in this one.
And for Coach Ross, what do you think are the most important qualities for your players?
We're winners. We're not seniors in high school. We're winners.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got a real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. All right.
Come on and play, and welcome to the day. Come on and play, if you want to jam.
What's right? Soccer face. Are you ready, man?
The butter is on our roll.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. That's going to be an exciting time for us. Up next we have the cheerleaders to put on the show.
I encourage all of you to come out tonight. First home league game tonight against St. Mary's. Come support the basketball teams today. Seniors, you guys can go.